What if the world's first elevator didn't rise with a hum of electricity, but with the strain of human breath and the groan of rope? Picture ancient Rome before dawn, stone streets still cool, oil lamps flicker, and deep inside a towering structure, something impossible begins to move. Not sideways, not forward. Up. Beneath the floor, men brace their feet against the ground, hands grip thick hemp ropes rough with use. At a shouted command, they pull, muscles tighten, wood creaks. And slowly, almost magically, a hidden platform begins to climb through the darkness. This was the first known elevator. Long before buttons and cables, Romans learned to defy gravity using nothing but ingenuity, sweat and animals trained to walk in endless circles. Pulleys spun, counterweights shifted. The platform rose, carrying crates of marble, amphorae of wine, even wild animals, lions, bears and leopards toward the light above. In places like the Colosseum, these lifts were more than tools. They were instruments of surprise. Imagine sitting in the stands. The crowd roars. Sand trembles beneath your sandals. Then, without warning, the floor splits open. A cage rises from below, chains rattling, and a beast emerges as if summoned from the underworld itself. To the spectators, it felt like sorcery. To the workers below, it was brutal precision. But here's the twist. These elevators weren't powered by slaves alone. Oxen turned massive capstans. Teams of workers coordinated every movement by sound and signal. A single mistake, a slack rope, a missed cue, could send the platform crashing down. Lives depended on timing, trust, and flawless teamwork. And yet they kept building them, because Rome was obsessed with scale, with height, with spectacle. Elevators allowed emperors to stack floors higher, move goods faster, and stage wonders no one had ever seen. They quietly reshaped architecture, making vertical space usable for the first time in history. Then Rome fell. The knowledge faded, the pulleys rusted, the shafts were buried. For centuries, humanity forgot how to move upward this way. Towers stood still, stairs ruled the world again, until one day we remembered. Every elevator you ride today, every smooth ascent through glass and steel, traces its lineage back to those dark Roman shafts, to the men pulling ropes by torchlight, daring to lift the world one platform at a time. Progress didn't begin with electricity. It began with courage, coordination, and the belief that up was worth the effort. If this story lifted your curiosity even a little, please like, share, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what ancient invention you want to uncover next.